Thought I'd give you guys a little update where they're at. They've been working really hard over here at Brake. This is the upper level here. This is Sherry's new life skill room. We're walking down the hallway here in back of the nurse's station. Central library. Going over here by the new preschool room. Here's where our elevator shaft is coming up from downstairs to Mill High School office. Right in here is the new developmentally delayed preschool room. Walls are up. Looking out these new beautiful windows coming upstairs. This is our main elementary office right over here, all the way to this back wall. Here's the new nurses station. Tons of room. Going down by Tammy's and my office now. My new office. Melsinators. Here's our conference room. Basically just going to have a table in here. The timeout room. They're working in Betsy's room, putting in a new unit. So they'll have this done by the time school starts here. Now Chris's and Amy's room, unfortunately, they're going to be in the library for a week apiece at least here after break to get this done. So we'll have library on the cart. Uh-oh, what happened to the door outside the multi-purpose room? Come down here, we got a guy working right now. This will be the main hallway coming from the elementary office back through. Lots of changes.